to get my lashes filled, more like done. I actually took all my eyelashes off because I kind of felt like I needed a new set. So I basically just ripped all of them out, but I didn't lose any of my lashes, which is good. I think I lost like 3. I was counting when I took some of them out. Some of them just were not ready to come out. And so when I pulled them out, like my real ones were kind of attached to it, but I'm okay. It just feels so weird having like no lashes. They feel like super duper short. And so I just feel naked and I feel like I look like a boy. But I went and got some eyeliner, I think they're called, the Nicole Grow lashes, and I put those on when I went to work. That way I didn't feel like completely naked, but I have no eyelashes on. So crazy. This is like the before. They're like pretty short now. I think I did like lose some length. They were just kind of like growing out anyways. But it's just like super duper weird like not having lashes on, and I like don't like it. So yeah, I'm heading to my lash appointment. It's 2:40 right now, so I will show you guys what they look like when we get back. My eyes always get super duper red when I'm done getting them done because my eyes are like closed and these like chilly things. I don't know. But yeah, this is what the after looks like. This is a full set. I don't know the kinds of lashes that she uses or the numbers or any of that stuff, but I just tell her that I want them super big and curled. And this is what they look like. They do get a little bit more fluffy after they're washed because the lash does come like super duper straight to like begin with anyways. So this jacket makes me look 10 times my size because it's so big. But yeah, I took Babe's car with me because I like driving his car a lot of times because his car is cute. But yeah, I'm gonna head back home now. We need to do laundry and clean up the room for tomorrow because our bed comes in the morning. So I'm super excited. And then we also need to, I don't know what else we need to do, something for the room. Oh, we never put the back of our dresser on, like we have to nail it. So we need to do that. And then we have pictures to hang up above the bed, but I think we're gonna wait till once we actually put the bed together just to see like how tall the bed is. But I'm excited to have our bed. I'm like super duper excited. The room's like coming together. I still have not found a nightstand that I like want that like goes with our bed, because I was thinking like, I don't know, like this wooden type of color for the nightstand, like a dark wood, like rustic kind of. I saw some at TJ Maxx or at Marshall's the other day, but I want Owen to go with me to get it because I feel like he can help pick out the style, because we have to get it to go with the dresser and the desk that's in there, because my vanity is the only thing that doesn't match the other furniture in our room, but we're okay with it. So but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my lashes and what they look like before and after. I feel like a human again. I love my lash girl. Her name's Vanessa. I will leave her Instagram down below for you guys. She's in my area, so if you guys want to go to her, then you guys can. So hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. It is a weird day. I don't know how to explain everything that's going on. But I just got home from work. This was my first shift at my new store that was like mine. I was covering last week for 2 shifts, which I talked about in a vlog, and then this week is my first week at work, but I'm not opening anymore except for like 1 day a week. So like my times are different, and I've been used to going to work at 4 every day in the morning. So it was weird. I just worked a completely different shift, and it is now 3:57 in the afternoon. I just got off work, and my nighttime job told me at my restaurant that they don't need me to come in because it's so dead. So that kind of sucks, but I have plenty to do here. I need to shower and relax and stuff. I think I might take a nap. I'm gonna change out of these clothes, take a nap, maybe eat a snack. I need to put our laundry away, and I wanted to show you guys. It's super dark in my room, sorry. It's like been cloudy and rainy outside, but I wanted to show you guys. Our bed came in. Look how much stuff came for our bed. Like, that is insane. So Babe took, I guess I wasn't here because I was at work when they brought the stuff in, and he took the headboard out of the box because I was like looking at everything and I was like, that's super weird that they would deliver like stuff like this not in a box. So this box right here is the footboard and the rails and the slats, it said. And then the other box is the headboard, which was this box. So I have a sneak peek of what it looks like. It's super nice. It's super duper soft. I love it. It's not as like wide as I wanted it to be. Which, I mean, when you put those type of headboards on, they're not always like underneath. So like you can see pretty much the whole length of it, if that makes sense. But I thought I ordered like a longer one. Like I thought it was a little bit taller. So we'll see what he thinks once we put it together, but I think it's beautiful. I love it. But yeah, so I was gonna like surprise him and put that together, but I didn't realize like how big it was. And I finally brought the cats here last night. We went and picked them up, and we're gonna pick up Marlin this weekend, I think, or some other time this week. And yeah, so I have to clean the room. I cleaned the kitchen yesterday. I'm gonna make dinner a little bit. I'm kind of just rambling. I have like a lot of stuff to do today. I'm today actually using my beauty blender to blend out my foundation instead of my Morphe brush, which I've been using. So I think it looks really good, and I got my lashes done. I showed you guys yesterday, and I just really like the way my makeup turned out. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and change, and I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.
Took our time in falling, sinking down in slow motion. I didn't take the time to read between the lines, left it all unspoken. Sometimes we're good, it feels like it should, and I think that I could stay here with you. Sometimes at night I feel like a fight, and I don't know how to tell you the truth.
I literally forgot that I had like half of this stuff. I'm super excited, and I pulled out my flowers for my vase that I bought at a thrift store. I literally got all of these. You guys probably remember them from the house. All of these for $3 a piece at Target. Super cute. I have this plant. I'm excited. Another candle stand. And this hello sign. This is what we're looking like. Don't mind the date, it's not the 12th, but I put everything together. The bed comforter is still kind of like wrinkly because I brought it out of the bag. I didn't wash it yet. And then this is my favorite blanket of all time. I got this one from, I believe it's Marshall's. They still have it. I just really like it. At the moment I've been super hot, so I've just been using this side, not the extra furry side. But I really like this blanket. So our blanket is from Target. The headboard frame, it like goes all the way around. Like really like it because it has kind of like a ledge on the side. I just threw the blanket on the ground, but it has like an edge on the side. The shams, all 4 of these are from Target, and I think the 2 behind are the organic ones, and then the 2 in the front are the brand. I don't even know if I vlogged or not, but I'll leave a link down below of the link of which sheets those are, because they're the bedding. Are you gonna help us vlog? So these sheets are super duper soft, and they're 700 thread count, but these are the matching pillowcases. But fun fact, when we ordered our bed frame, they actually sent 2 of the same side pieces. So 2 of those the same. So I didn't put mine on yet because I sent the wrong one, which is down here on the floor. So I just called yesterday and ordered the right one, so it should be here in a couple days. I hung up that sign above the bed for now because I really don't know what I want to do, and I still need to do my nightstand. But yeah, we're gonna put pictures up. We have these frames that we got from Ross, and I just like the way they look, yeah, so it's just gonna go above the bed. I mean, I don't know if you really wanted white, but I think that I like the way that the frame looks in there. These were only like $6, so I threw that up over there. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm kind of just trying to get this room together because it's very stressful not having it put together, but we love the way the bed came out. So now I just need to figure out how I'm gonna decorate, and then I think I figured out what I'm gonna do for this wall. And yeah, so I just need to figure out what I'm gonna do on this wall as well. But yeah, I think it's coming together. I think it looks really, really good.